Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Discord not opening issue on PC or laptop in 2025. First method is right-click Start button, click Run, type %local app data %. Open Discord folder. Right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Right-click Discord, click End Task. Delete all cache folders. Second method is type firewall.cpl in Windows search bar, click firewall.cpl. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow another app. Type %local app data %. Press Enter key. Check both private and public. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click three dots, click Uninstall. Delete Discord folder. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.